Dr. Huebner, I am here with Tumi. Tumi is here 1 year, a little more than 1 year, about 18
Yeah.
months after her second hair transplant with us here at the clinic. Prior to seeing us, she had had a hair transplant in South Africa, I
Yeah.
believe, and didn't have great results. And I'll show what that looked like before. But now two procedures in, all smiles. She said she was happier than me, of course, and she's really come a long way. And I'll put some
Yeah.
before and after pictures there so you can really see the difference. It is unbelievable in terms of the change. But enough talking from me. I want to hear from Tumi. Tell us about your experience and tell us what you think about your results.
So as you've said, I had a procedure done before. So when I came, I was a little bit despondent. I was unsure. I had traveled from so far. It's a lot of money to spend on hair. But my hairline was affecting my confidence, so I wanted to do something about it. And to be honest, I wanted to come to natural transplants the first time. But then COVID hit, and I wasn't sure how long it was going to be with us for. So then I thought, I just thought it was going to be the same. So yeah, I'm glad that I came to natural transplants. And because I had a bit of low density, we went with two procedures, and I have no regrets. I'm happy with my results.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah,
Yeah,
the first procedure we focused mainly on the frontal edges. The second procedure we focused on areas
yeah, at the
behind
back.
the frontal edges, right? And also you had some scars to contend with as well from
Yeah,
the first surgery. So we did a little bit of scar, took out some of the wider scar that you had.
yeah.
Has anyone noticed? I mean, I know you've been pretty good about hiding this probably most of your life.
Yes.
Does anybody even notice or notice a change or how do other people respond? Maybe it's just for you.
Yeah, everybody has noticed. But there's a colleague of mine who said to me recently that because this has been such a long process, after you've done your transplant, it seems like nothing is happening. It just seems the area looks so bare. That you can be so discouraged, which is something that I'm so grateful for that your clinic did very well with us, was just to check in now and then to find out how you're doing and to just give us that courage that it has worked, it will come in, and really it did come. But so one of my colleagues recently said to me, I wanted to tell you that this magic that you think is going to happen is not going to happen, so they were just afraid to tell me that they think this is not going to work. I've wasted money. So now that it has happened, they are all interested in knowing, so this actually works. So yes, so people have
Yeah.
actually noticed.
So yeah, I mean, so it is a process. Going through this is not easy, and unfortunately,
Mm-hmm.
it's not immediate results. Like a lot of cosmetic procedures, even a week or two after you get a nose job, for example. Oh, it
Yeah,
comes after.
yeah.
Oh, it looks great. You get liposuction. Oh, it looks good after about a month or two. Literally, nothing grows for like 3 or 4 months. So yeah, you do need pep talks sometimes, and that's what our clinic and our staff is really good at in terms of encouraging
The
people
follow
to
up.
trust the
Mm.
process and obviously it has worked. So
Yeah.
so I'm really happy. Let's model your hair actually. Let's kind of take a look at everything. So if you could, obviously you can see from the front here, but maybe you could just put your chin down and we could see from the front. Good, 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 good. Perfect. Look how natural and soft that looks. Perfect. Let's have you turn to the side and
Okay.
just hold it. And maybe you could kind of go down in the screen. There we go. Perfect. A little further away. There we go. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. And then slowly we'll bring it around. Yep. So we'll do a slowly towards the center again. Yes.
Okay.
Perfect. Yep. And then yep. And then
So I
let's
go
see
to the
that
other
other
side.
side. Yes. Perfect. Wow. I mean, it looks like you've never had a hair loss in
I'm
your life.
telling you.
Unbelievable. I am so happy. Thank you so much for showing that off. Beautiful. Yep,
Okay. Do
perfect.
you want to see the
This,
back as well? Or you good?
yeah, sure, sure. If you'd like to show the back, yeah. You want to do a
Yeah.
180? Yeah, yeah. I mean, no evidence that anything happened in the back. despite having 3 surgeries. It's
Yeah,
exactly the
never
same.
mind all my white hair. I notice I have so much white hair now.
Uh, white hair, white hair is actually coming back in style now. The silver
Yeah.
hair. Well,
Yeah.
listen to me. I am so happy for you. This makes my heart swell with joy when I see your results and how much you've come,
Yeah.
how far you've
Yeah.
come, and thank you for on your end for coming so far from Botswana, where you were living, and really really appreciate it, and I really want you to enjoy your hair, take care of it, like I know you will, and
Mm-hmm.
is there anything you would tell people that are maybe on the fence about a hair transplant, or somebody that has traction alopecia from years of styles? What would you tell them?
I think first I would say try to avoid having traction alopecia in the first place. So if you still have your edges, take care of them. No over manipulation. Don't do very tight hairstyles that cause trauma on your hair because yeah, it will result in alopecia. That's the first thing. Secondly, if you already have lost your hair and you are thinking of a hair transplant, I'd say go for it, but be careful about where you go because just because a place is cheaper doesn't necessarily mean it's the same service or it's the same. It really is not, both in the service and the quality of the work. I think if you're going to spend money on a hair transplant because it's not small money, do you take time to do your research and go to the right clinic, people that can show you results of people who've been through the process and who have had the results. So I'm grateful to all the other people that did these videos because that's what helped me to make my final decision about doing it. So if you're on the fence, go ahead and do it. Great clinic, great staff. More than anything, I've appreciated the follow-ups and that when one is unsure about something, you have a direct line to the doctor and the assistant to say, hey, I'm seeing this, should I be concerned? And you get the response. I think more than anything, that's what gave me the confidence to go with your clinic. And so thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
And thank you for paying it forward. Just like you were getting help from all these videos, I know you
Yeah.
were sort of insistent that you sort of want to give back and help someone else in their journey. So appreciate it so much, Tumi. Congratulations on your progress,
Thank
and
you.
enjoy your hair. Enjoy it.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Huebner.
Yes, man.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.